Food brings us closer, it strengthens bonds, and helps us connect with people, and inspires us to count our blessings. Sharing food has always been a part of the human story, and at Ruturaj Agro Industries and at Almars Food, we are so happy and excited to share our frozen samosas with the world. Based in Pune, we manufacture frozen foods and offer customized packaging solutions for institutional and bulk buyers. We cater to Indian markets under Ruturaj Agro Industries and export our foods to the US, UK, Netherlands, Gulf, Australia and New Zealand under private lenders. We are an FSSAI certified company with BRCGS Food Safety Certified, ISO 22000 certificate, and FSSC, and Halal accreditations, assuring our clients of food safety and quality at all times. One of our best-selling products, samosas, is manufactured with stricter quality standards, and our FSSC certified plant, and is supplied worldwide to share a taste of the Indian flavors with blockbuster spices. We have carefully curated a state-of-the-art manufacturing process that ensures timely production, high-quality standards, and a high-tech storage. The racking system captures the finest raw materials, along with spices, oil, and fine flour. The materials are accepted or rejected at the initial stage as per the quality check and quality standards. The ingredients are all set to be transformed. The diced potatoes are cooked, served with some buttery potatoes for the stuffing. Simultaneously, we prepare the stuffing and the dough. For the stuffing, we soak it and take it to the pan and add spices, followed by beans, coriander, and cooked potato. Each batch is checked for organoleptic evaluation, and records are maintained. To make the samosa dough, we mix the ingredients in the dough mixer and make balls of the required weight. Samosas are almost getting ready, with folding batters here and stuffing the masala. First, they are fried up to 70% at 150 to 170 degrees Celsius. Once ready, they are frozen at -30 degrees to achieve a temperature of -18 degrees Celsius. We pack them in poly bags. Every pouch goes through a metal detector, and the final packaging is done as per customer requirements. The frozen samosas are stored in cold storage facility at -18 degrees Celsius. Once we get a quality approval for physical, chemical, and microbiological analysis to meet the parameters, they are ready for dispatch. When customers receive these samosas, they share them with friends and family, over tea, or as a party appetizer. It tastes best when served in a sauce or chutney. We are looking forward to bringing you the taste of Punjabi samosas for a delicious business opportunity.
At Fruver's, we go beyond food. Our high-quality packaging materials and eye-catching designs ensure our products stand out on shelves while meeting the highest standards of food safety and convenience. We begin with our flagship Punjabi samosas, a timeless classic bursting with bold spices and authentic taste. Next, meet the bite-sized wonder, our cocktail samosas. These delightful mini treats are perfectly packed for quick snacking or as the star of any party platter. Then, we move on to our crispy and flavorful spring rolls. With packaging that mirrors their crunch and zest, they're ideal for on-the-go indulgence or sharing with friends. For the heartier moments, we bring you our flaky, multi-layered lachha parathas. Each pack is designed with care to maintain the paratha's authentic texture and flavor, making every preparation effortless and delicious. Finally, there's the timeless tandoori naan, soft, fluffy, and aromatic. Packed to perfection, it's like having a piece of the tandoor at your table, anytime, anywhere. Let Fruwas make every meal an experience to savor. And together, let's celebrate the magic of food.